In today's episode, Blake Yarbrough joins me, he tries to cut me, and we open 7 mystery boxes from SNKRFLEA, and someone wins a golden ticket. That's f***ing awesome. Yo, what's up everybody? So today we have Blake Yarbrough here. We've mentioned him on the channel. He helped me. If you watch Harry,
I sold you sneakers for 20 bucks.
He helped me beat Harry, which was great. And then I sold those to Khan, by the way, for $20.
Somebody bought them back, right?
Somebody bought them? No,
I thought somebody bought them.
I sold your ugly ass shoes for the same amount of money that I got. So I won and got to sell.
I get so many DMs asking if I will sell my Travis Scotts for 20 bucks.
Because you sold me those.
Because I sold you some ugly Nikes for 20 bucks.
Yeah.
I get DMs, will you sell me shoes like you did for Hoss?
Yeah.
And they want Travis Scotts.
Today we have our SNKRFLEA mystery boxes. You're gonna see it on his channel. By the way, go subscribe. Click down below. Blake Yarbrough, put him up the screen. He'll have a video of him opening probably the first box.
Is and I haven't done this yet.
And then we'll open the box on my video. Maybe we'll do this, I don't know. But we're about to open it. We got Harry here. He's chilling, hanging out. Hey.
Break the table.
But SNKRFLEA is the mystery box, folks, that Harry promoted a while back. He's not affiliated with this. We bought these totally separately on our own. They don't know who we are. We're excited. We might actually get something. We might not. It's so exciting, and that they give one every 5. Yeah, one every 5.
Yeah.
So we have a total of 7 mystery boxes. Our boxes look different. Could be fun. I have a bigger box.
Much different. Mine's way heavier than his, but I bought one less box.
Because you're a bitch. Anyway, so we're gonna open these. We'll check it out. We'll see if we got anything, and we'll go from there. In the meantime, we still get clothes. So even if we don't get a golden ticket and win something, we still win because the value of what we paid for them is about the same, if not a little more, of whatever stuff we get. If it's hoodies or T-shirts. So to me, it makes sense that it's just buying hype shit with the added bonus of possibly winning more stuff. And so we made a bet just now.
We did.
That if one of us gets Dior Jordan 1s, he has to pay the other person $500.
Yeah, if you win the Dior Jordan 1s, you owe the other person $500.
By the way, he saw my box and he was like, I want to make a bet that if you get Dior Jordan 1s, I make $500.
All right, so I'm going to start with mine. Hopefully I get some Travis Scott t-shirts. That's what I'm really wanting to get. That ASSC t-shirt that you got.
Take it easy.
Show you guys. I went with the extra large sizes. If there's anything that I don't like in here, I'll put it on my website, ATL Locals. But you can see the first t-shirt in there. Harry's trying to peek.
All right. I should ask Harry how you open these things without actually looking in it. Like,
close your eyes.
I don't know, guys. Oh, look. All right. The first is an ASSC black t-shirt. Which one is this? This is the...
Ooh, a long sleeve.
Long sleeve, nice. Oh, get weird. Yeah. Actually, I like that. I'm down with getting weird. This is the, it's pretty
basic,
plain.
Yeah, just basic.
But it says get weird on the sleeves. Look that up.
ASSC.
Look that up, Blake.
Get
Look
weird
at
long sleeve.
What do we got?
Used on Grailed, $60. New, $70.
All right. I'm getting a second one here.
Why did yours feel so much lighter than mine?
I don't know. Maybe because I have long sleeves too.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the surface area, the larger box.
Maybe it's the size. Extra large first.
Oh, mine are large.
Smalls.
Yeah. Yours are girthier.
Yeah.
All right. So this is the, what does it say?
That one's cool.
It's a maroon logo tee. So it's just regular.
It's $100 on Stadium Goods and Farfetch.
Like half the time I see ASSC stuff, I'm like, I don't know if I'd rock that. But like, the flat colors, I think I would.
I like that one.
Check this out. Let's see. Well, I'm so excited, I can't. This
Another
is
Get Weird. All right, Phil Fury. Okay, there's
That's
one of
all
those
you.
on eBay right now for $569.
What?
Somebody on eBay.
Does it have like a pentagram?
That's what that is,
Is
right?
this like devil worship type stuff?
Yeah, it looks like that one's like 75, 80 bucks.
I mean, I'm down with Beelzebub. So if I had,
I'm beating you in value right now.
so with 7 boxes, we should have 14 items. All right, we're going back to Blake's box.
So no golden ticket yet.
Can you hear his disappointment?
This one's got
no golden ticket yet.
it's got a G-Wagon on the back.
Yeah. Harry has his T-shirt, and he wore it to a FlexCast taping. By the way, check out the FlexCast. It's Harry, Steve, and I. We do a podcast. It's dope as every week-ish. When
Let's see.
Harry, I can get Harry and Steve to. If you like money, sneakers, and cars,
If you
it's
like
the
being
podcast.
rich, Hoss is the perfect podcast.
Invited.
You want to be on the FlexCast?
Yeah, I'll be on FlexCast.
Like a peeking.
I just peeked.
Oh, we just saw it.
Yeah, well,
He got something!
There's a golden ticket.
Here's a
This-
box! Let's go! We don't know what it is though. He's so excited. He's so excited. Come on, come on, come on. We got this. Come on. Don't look. Don't let us see. Look at his face.
oh, that's pretty. You got your money's worth out of this.
Let's go! All right. Can I ask one question? Am I gonna make 500 bucks?
All right, we'll open the last T-shirt here. This feels like a long box video.
Yeah, you guys wish you could get this sweet MLG hoodie. This is old school. You had to be a real gamer and then play in the basements of hotels.
Blake's like, shut up, I want to see what I got.
Yeah, I need to see.
I'm trying to lay him. I'm
let's
trying
do
to
the
lay
rest-
him.
Let's do the rest of your box.
I don't want to pull some. Oh, this is not even wrapped.
Ooh.
Was this used?
Are we
I think it's
matching
the-
again?
This is the same one.
We're matching again.
This is the Paid For Enraged T-shirt. All right, we got similar T-shirts. I think the one I like least so far is the Playboy one, which I'm actually really happy with. I'd wear every single one that I've got.
I'd wear.
You wouldn't wear your
half.
Bape. Yeah, you would
I'd
wear
wear
Bape,
half.
and you wouldn't wear the Playboy bunny. So I'm supposed to get 8, and I've got 4, so I'm halfway through. Let's see what the next one is. Oh, it's the same.
We got the same
I
box.
think we have to open this. This is exactly the same thing. This is the.
Yeah, keep it in the bag. You sell it. for
Yeah,
more
exactly. Should have just kept that like that. So I do like that. I actually will keep that. I'm not gonna sell it. It's like the one that I'm not opening that I'm actually gonna keep because I like that a lot.
Come on, golden ticket.
Oh, Playboy Bunny one. Look at that. This is helpful to not have to open.
Yeah,
them.
I went ahead and did all the damage.
So this is
Harry's keeping count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm down to my last 2. My last box.
Hard to see. Ah, looking a little slim in there.
Shirts in there.
That's so. Maybe they ran out of priority boxes.
Harry actually sold this.
No, I wear it.
Is this one you still have? He had some orange stuff, and I was like, don't sell it. I want it. Nice.
Hoss is sad now.
Make sure it didn't like fall off.
How many have you bought total now?
This is my first time.
I bought 5. It's okay.
It's not rigged.
It's all right. And it's the G-Wagon.
The
shirt.
G-Wagon. Steve,
G-Wagon shirt.
you can have 2. Let me look at the list. I'm not
No,
looking.
don't look.
No, I'm just looking at the list.
Oh, okay.
Select boxes will have golden tickets for Dior Air Jordan 1s, Chunky Dunkies, Off-White Air Force 1 MCAs, Shattered Backboard 1.0s. That would be sick. Air Max
This is
Sean
orange.
Witherspoons.
I like that.
There's 2 tickets for those. So the first items I listed, those only have 1 ticket. Travis Scott Air Force 1 Sales, Jordan 1 Satins, 2 tickets for those. Yeezy Sneakers, 5 tickets. Supreme Box Logo T-shirts, 5 tickets. Off-White Clothing and Accessories, 5 tickets. But for every 100 boxes they sell, they add 20 tickets. So like some of these, if they sell more boxes, they add more of these items unless it's a 1 ticket max. So with all that said, ooh, nice.
If you want to see what Blake actually won, head on over to his channel and check out our video. Also, while you're there, consider liking and subscribing to Blake or me. If you like this video or others, let us know in the comments.
Blake got a golden ticket. That's awesome. We're happy for Blake.
Thank you.
Check out his video for the rest of this too to see what he got. In the meantime, I'm just gonna sadly close this out.